Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your payment decline issue on your Google Pay. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So this kind of error usually occurs if the card details provided on your payment method is expired or is outdated. First thing before you purchase, make sure that the card details is valid. If the card is up to date and you're still facing this kind of error, then you'll need to replace the card. And after that, try using your secondary card details and then you might be able to fix it. And also make sure that you have enough money on your account. And the other thing what you can do is restart your device. If you have any expired payment, then it might be one of the reasons for your transaction to be declined. So you need to update it or you need to remove the expired payment, and after that you need to update it once again, and that might be able to fix your issue. If none of these methods is helping, then you need to contact the customer service or you need to contact the bank, and then you'll need to report about the issue. So that's it for this video. So those are the methods on how you can fix your payment decline issue on your Google Play account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.